If you want to add social media icons in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add social icons to your page, connect them to your profiles, align them properly, and publish everything so your site looks clean and professional. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference for your website's design and for helping visitors find your social channels fast. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and start by adding a container. To do that, click the plus icon on the page. Once the layout options appear, choose a container structure that fits the section you want to build. You can keep it simple with one column, or choose a wider layout depending on where you want the icons to appear. This container will hold everything neatly and give you more control over spacing and alignment. Now that your container is ready, the next step is to add the Social Icons widget. On the left-hand panel, click the grid icon to open the widget browser. Then use the search bar and type Social Icons. When the widget appears, drag and drop it directly into your container. Elementor will automatically show the default icons, which usually include Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and YouTube. This gives you a quick starting point, and from here you can customize each icon to match your brand. Next, we need to set up the links for each social icon. Make sure you are still in the Content tab on the left-hand panel, because that's where all the main settings are located. Click on one of the icons, such as Facebook, to open its individual settings. Here, you'll see a few important options. If you want to change the logo itself, click the icon library and choose a different icon. Then, in the link field, paste in your actual social media profile URL. This is what makes the icon clickable and sends visitors to the correct page. If you want to add more social platforms, just click the Add Item button. That lets you expand the list and include other accounts like Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, or anything else your brand uses. This is a great way to make your website feel more connected and professional while giving users an easy way to follow you across different platforms. Take your time here and make sure every link goes to the right profile. After your links are in place, scroll down a little to the alignment section. This controls how your icons are positioned inside the container. You can choose left, center, or right, depending on the look you want. If you're building a header, footer, or contact section, alignment matters a lot because it helps the icons fit naturally with the rest of your design. For a clean, modern look, center alignment often works well, but left or right alignment may be better depending on the layout. Once you're happy with the icons, the links, and the alignment, the final step is to publish your page. Go to the top right of the Elementor editor and click the Publish button. That saves your changes and makes the social icons live on your website. Before you leave, it's always a good idea to preview the page one more time, so you can make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've now learned how to add social media icons in Elementor, connect them to your profiles, adjust the alignment, and publish the finished design. It's a quick process, but once you know it, you can use it on headers, footers, sidebars, or any section of your site where you want to add social links. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.